Hello, I'm Zach. Today I'll be making my favorite marinated chicken. It's a super easy recipe, so you can also make this at home. Let's start, shall we? So, we only need 2 ingredients, chicken and 1 jar of marinade. So for today, I will be using the spicy marinade, so let's get that out of the way. As for chicken, I will be using the boneless chicken leg meat with the skin on. It's one of my favorite parts of the meat because it's more tender and fat, easier to process as well. So let's go on with processing the meat. So for the chicken, I will be cutting off some fats. I'll be getting rid of the fats, visible fats that I can see. But if you want to use other cuts of meat, it is doable as well. So marination, take this bottle, shake before using it, open it up, right? And take about, for every piece of chicken, take about 3 tablespoons. So we have 2 pieces here, so I'm using 6. If you want more for, let's say, noodles, coating noodles, right? Put extra. Yeah, you can add a little more. With this, spread it out. If you want to use your hands, bring it in. Right. So marinate this for about 3 hours minimum. My favorite would be overnight. Let's put this in the fridge. So take the chicken out from the chiller. I have an extra one that I marinated yesterday. So I'll take 1 piece out. You can use it on a tray with aluminium foil. If not, personally, I prefer to save resources. Right? To use this, I can wash. I would scrape the sauce off from the skin so that when I oven bake it, it can become crispy. So I'll add some sauce as well. So this to about 150. Just put the chicken. Crispy skin. Next step, I like optional totally. Char it up a little bit to give it that smoky. So there you have it, the Zach's chicken. Right, ooh, hear that crispiness. Look at that. there you have it. So one of my favorite recipes for marinated chicken. It's also super simple because it's just oven baked, right? And don't need to take care of it. If you don't have an oven, you can also use a frying pan, right? Pan fry it, or air fryer, or if you have a grill, you can also grill it, right? I usually pair it with plain salad or some noodles to go along with it, but it is amazing in the smell. So I'm just gonna dig in right now. Also, thank you for watching this video. I'll be posting up more recipe videos in the coming future as well, so do subscribe if you want to watch them. Okay, I am going to eat this elsewhere. Bye bye. Thank you.